Welcome! In today's video, we're going to walk through the simple steps to turn on search privacy on Pinterest Mobile. If you want to keep your Pinterest profile from showing up in search engines like Google, this quick guide is for you. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the profile icon. This will take you straight to your personal Pinterest profile, where you can see all your boards and saved pins. Now, at the very top of your profile page, you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up your profile settings, giving you access to several options to customize your Pinterest experience. Next, scroll through the settings until you find the option labeled Profile Visibility. Tap on this to open up the privacy settings for your account. Here, you'll see a feature called Search Privacy. This is the setting that controls whether or not your Pinterest profile can be found by search engines outside of Pinterest. To turn on Search Privacy, simply toggle the switch next to Search Privacy so that it's on. When this setting is enabled, your profile won't appear in search engine results like Google or Bing. This means that only people who are on Pinterest can find your profile, giving you more control over your privacy online. And that's it. You've successfully turned on search privacy for your Pinterest account. Now your profile is hidden from search engines, and you can enjoy a little more peace of mind while pinning your favorite ideas. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.